Fudge got him going.
Classic. Oh, Fudge got him going.
269 classic cars. Come take a ride with us, we got it all. Hot rods to muscle cars. A ton of dream cruise class. I like that 66 no, but that C8 to go the fast. Chevelle on 4G auto rims. 101 whips, these ain't average. 269, 269 classic cars. 269, 269 classic cars.
Man, check out this Rivi. Damn. Ooh, with the hole. Look at the hole. Really working with them switches too. I think everything out here working with switches. Ooh, look at that. It's a nice Rivi, ain't it? It's nice. Man, this bad boy is nice. Rivi killing it. Super clean. Good? Me too, ain't that nice? That is very nice. I mean, the wheels, everything. He did good with that. Nice looking car. What year is this? Ooh, 67. Riviera. Nice. Oh, you got those switches in there. Definitely got some switches in there. That's a nice one, ain't it? That's Eddie. Eddie? Eddie got a nice one, man. 67 Riv. Yeah.
I'm like, Eddie, why you ain't got to sit on the ground? You got to sit on the ground so they know that you on air ride.
Right, cause I ain't know till I seen
the bags in the back.
in the back and the switches on the seat.
Why ain't you got to sit on the ground?
Will it sit with them tires on there to get low?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What size he got on there?
22 or 24s.
Probably twos. That's a good setup he got too. That's a real nice setup, man. Yeah, that's real nice. Yeah, he need to drop it. Oh, the hit-away headlights.
Yes.
I just noticed that.
Yes.
Got the hiding headlights on there. When that hood go down, you can't see them headlights like that. And once again, 1967 Riviera, brought to you guys today by 269 Classic Cars. That's what I'm telling you. Keep watching, subscribe to the channel, man. You never know what you're gonna see on here, man. You would have missed out on this beautiful car right here. Look at this beautiful Classic. Man. Telling you, subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that like button. Tell me what you think of this one here, man. Until the next one, we gone. Out.
269, 269 classic cars. 269, 269 classic cars.